Hi, so I just wanted to show you what exactly I was talking about in my instructions above. Anytime you want to see any forms, and even if you make it in Classroom, it should show up in your Drive, but if you're not quite seeing it there, it may be reorganized into a different file, but it should have been made into a form, if I'm correct. And so if you go to forms.google.com, it will take you to all of the forms that you have created. And so I'm just going to open this one in particular. So if you want to see the responses that the students gave in terms of that quiz, then you can go to responses. And then here's the little sheets icon that instead of breaking it down like this, what you can do, it totally depends on what the timestamp is and if you asked for their name. So hopefully it was organized that way. So these are all the responses from that individual, and I could go through them. The unfortunate thing is that the quiz is supposed to mark them, and I'm not sure if it would do that for you within the form or the sheet. I'm not entirely sure about that, but I can definitely look into it because it's something that I have a question about too. But hopefully that helps you find where your Google form is so that you can assess those quizzes.